Okay, so right now I'm going to show you guys how I pour my ingots. This will be for wire and this will be 2 ring blanks. And start off, you need an ingot mold, which is this thing. They're pretty expensive. You need some lube spray so that it doesn't stick to it. For the wire, I'll be using this small one. For the bands, I'll be using this thicker one. Basically, just gonna get it as wet as you can. Now what I'll do is I'll put this metal in the crucible and get some borax out. You need the borax to clean the metal and allow it to flow together. I just put a big pile right here. And you're gonna need a torch that gets really freaking hot. Alright guys, that's how you do the ingot strip for your wire. I suggest you get a pair of these. They're just welding glasses, so you don't go blind. It's not that bright staring at it, but when you have to stare at it for a few minutes, it will mess with your eyes. So, and we just turn it to flop it out, and I gotta cool that before I touch it. We'll show you guys pouring that yet too. So I got this part of my ingot, this mold, I got it lubed up, and I'm going to do it with this grain now to make the band. Well folks, that's how I make it. Sorry about the lighting. The one thing I love about this ingot is you just flop it out. I haven't had a problem sticking with it yet. It's a Durston ingot mold. It's, I think, roughly $80 for this, $20 for that, and it comes with another crucible. And that's a $20 torch head, and I think that's an $8 bottle of gas, something like that. $4, I'm not sure. And then your lube, whatever you really want to use will work. So I'll probably show you guys shaping it into a wire and shaping it into a band. That's the next step.